Tell me all about it. You don't say.
Awesome. So Eric got me a new light since my light on the Craftsman here wasn't very bright. I got this little, I believe it's a sewing machine light actually. Works pretty good. I can see a little better while I'm routing.
Don't get shut off.
Oh yeah.
And it is rechargeable.
So yeah, I did realize this before. When Eric said I need to plug it in. This is kind of cool. You can take it off of there. If you need a little bit of extra light somewhere else.
And it does have three. It's got high, low, or medium and low. And then it is USB-C chargeable.
I can just plug it in.
Let it charge up for when she needs to next time.
Pretty handy. That wasn't really the reason for the video, but since he fixed it up for me, I had to try it out. But we want to do a mail call.
Mail call.
So, the first one here, I've had for a little bit. I kept forgetting to bring it out. It's from the Shoops Wood Shop. And there's a letter, and check out these awesome stickers.
Cool.
And then, this one I got, I believe it was last week. Yeah, I know. Terrible about getting to the mailbox and bringing them out here to the shop to, you know, do something with. Sorry.
Who's that one from?
This is from Radar the Wood Turner.
Yay.
So I'm going to let Eric put our new stickers up on the bandsaw. Since, you know, he's the one that's sticker crazy.
Yep, I like stickers.
He can shine a light on it so we can see it better. Ah.
I can get the sticker off of here.
There's Radar the Wood Turner.
Let's see here.
He's indecisive too. And there is the Shoops. Hashtag Sawdust Mafia.
Yay. Looks pretty good.
Guys, we need some new stickers up here.
Yep.
Okay, guys. So, Eric has new stickers being made up, and they're in the mail getting here, so hopefully I'll get some out pretty soon. Plus, I'll send you some of the older ones we got. But if you want stickers, our email address is in the About page.
Mailing address.
Mailing address is in the About page. Well, the email is too.
True.
So, like I said, Eric loves getting new stickers. So, send us one, and we're about to get the bandsaw full, but there's a backside too, and the bottom part.
I got other tools.
He's got other tools. So, y'all have a great day.
Stick around. Bye-bye now.